guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Jalissa. Subscribe if you're liking Vlogmas so far. In today's video, I'm going to be doing one side of my hair with the Conair Hot Rollers. These are only $30. 12 hot rollers for only 30 bucks is not bad at all. That's so affordable. I tried these on all my hair and I have a dedicated YouTube video, and if you guys want to check it out, all you have to do is check out the links down below. So I'm gonna do one side with Conair and then the other side with T3. So these hot rollers from T3 retail for $130 and you only get 8 hot rollers. I am going to be doing one side with the Conair and then one side with the T3, and you guys are going to let me know in the comments down below which side you like better. So let's get right into the video. I'm going to divide my hair right in the middle like this, and I'm going to put one side up. So I'm going to start with the Conair side just because I already have those warmed up and ready to go. Okay, so I'm going to divide this section in two just to kind of be able to put in the rollers a little bit better. So these hot rollers right here from Conair get so hot, like super hot, so you definitely have to put these on your hair very quickly because these do kind of like burn your fingers a little bit. Everything just gets hot, which is kind of annoying sometimes, but it's fine. Okay, so I'm gonna take this section right here and I'm gonna take a pretty big hot roller. Ooh, this is hot. And I'm just gonna roll it up. Ooh, I forgot how hot these get. So uncomfortable, honestly. Ooh, so you definitely gotta work super quickly. And then take one of the clips that comes with the hot rollers and just clip your hair. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave that one like that. I actually like the smaller sizes better, so I'm gonna leave those for the front and I'm gonna use the bigger ones on the bottom. So gonna just keep doing that to all my hair. But wow, these are very hard to work with sometimes because they just get too hot. I'm definitely burning my fingers. Oh my god, this is so hot. Yeah, I'm just using the big ones for now. Like at the top, I'm gonna use the smaller ones. I feel like this one's too close to my ear, so it feels a little bit hot on my ear, and that's a little bit uncomfortable, but I'm just gonna keep going. Wow, you definitely gotta work super fast with these. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one up. Now I'm using a smaller one right here, and I'm just rolling them up like this and clipping them. Okay, so I'm almost done with this side. I have like 6 more in this kit, which is nice. Just have maybe like 3 more to go. So it is very easy to put these on. I mean, other than the fact that they get super, super hot. But it doesn't take too long for you to put them on your hair. I'm gonna divide this section in 2 sections. The only thing about this kit, and I mean also the other one, because my hair, it's not like too long, but I do have a lot of hair. My hair is like really thick. So I actually need 2 of these, which I do have. I bought 2 of these for the first video that I filmed. I just can't do all my hair with just one pack because 12 hot rollers is not enough for me. I'm gonna link it down below, but in that video I actually ended up using all 24 hot rollers on all my hair. But I actually have 3 here, but I still would need another kit. Like I said, I have it, but in this video I'm just gonna do one side with the Conair and then the other side with the T3. So let's move on to the T3 side, and I'll be back once the T3 ones are warmed up. So one thing that I don't like about the Conair hot rollers is that you kind of don't know if it's warming up unless this light right here turns on. And with the T3, you can kind of tell when the roller is ready to use. Like this little dot right here turns white. So you do have a little bit more of technology going on with the T3. And so the T3 brings like a little travel bag, which is really nice. And it also brings clips, of course. So this is what the T3 looks like. And I'm just gonna plug it in now and have it warm up for about 10 minutes, and then I'll do this side. Okay, the T3 hot rollers are ready to go and they're all warmed up. I don't know if you guys can see, but the dots are white now. Can you see that? It's nice that you're able to kind of know when these are ready to go, and with the Conair you kind of can't tell. I just leave them warming up for about 10 minutes and that should be more than enough. And then I also just did the same thing with the T3, even though these were ready to go after like 2-3 minutes, which is nice. So these warm up a lot quicker. I just wanted to warm these up both for 10 minutes just because, you know, I want to be fair, I guess. I'm doing a side-by-side comparison, so I want everything to be pretty similar. But let's start with this side. So I'm gonna use a pretty big one down here, just how I did with the Conair. And what I like about these is that the sides don't get hot, like just a little tiny bit, but it doesn't feel like you're burning your fingers like you do with the Conair. So I'm just gonna roll this up. Don't get me wrong, I mean, these do still get pretty hot, but it's not like the Conair. And these kind of like stay up a little bit better too. The clips are a lot better in my opinion. I'm gonna move on to the next section. Okay, so I'm gonna use another big one right here, and I'm just gonna roll this up. I'm gonna use a small one right here in the front. I actually prefer the smaller ones from the T3 and also from the Conair. Like if I have to put more and just put more of the smaller ones, I prefer that because I do feel like the small ones make a bigger difference. Like you see more of a curl with the smaller ones than with the big ones. I guess we'll see how this turns out at the end. It's a little bit harder to do this side because this side already has so much going on. Okay, so I'm gonna take another small one right here. I only have 3 more left, so I really gotta think about where I'm gonna put them or how I'm gonna put them. I do have another pack if I need it. I just want to use 8 on this side. I don't want to use more than 8 because if I were to use it on all my hair, I would want to use just one for one side and then the other one for the other side. So I'm going to take this pretty big section and I'm going to take the last big one that I have. I have layers, so this is a little bit hard for me to do. Okay, so I only have 2 left and I'm gonna have to use 2 of the small ones to finish. I wish that the T3 one brought more than just 8 because $130 for just 8 of these is like insane. I think that's like so pricey. I was very fortunate that I got these as a gift. I definitely wouldn't be able to do all my hair with just 8 of these. Okay guys, so I am done. Conair side right here, T3 side right here. I'm gonna let these set for 30 minutes and I'll be back with the final look. Let's see which side looks better. And yeah, I'll be back in 30 minutes. Alright guys, so it's been 30 minutes and I'm going to take these off. I'm going to start with this side and then I'm just going to go one by one and let's see how these look. Here's the first section. This is a pretty big one and as you can see, it doesn't really give me much of a curl. It's just like a little wave, which is why I prefer the smaller ones. But let's see what I get with the T3. This is also a big one from the T3 side, but this one actually looks better, honestly. I think this one looks a lot better. Like it even looks shinier. Wow, it looks healthier. But the Conair side looks fine too. I guess we just gotta keep going. There you go. There's another one. That was another big one from the Conair side. Let's do another big one from the T3 side. Look at that. I think the T3 is looking better. The Conair looks fine, but it doesn't have that shine that the T3 side has. Do you guys see that? Like this side looks way shinier and bouncier. And then this side is like, okay. So I guess we're just gonna keep going. And wow, that one's prettier. I like that better. Yeah, I definitely like the smaller sizes a lot better. Not only with the Conair, but also with the T3. I love the shine that I'm getting on this side. I really like the shine that I'm getting. That was another big one. I can't wait to see the smaller ones with the T3. But I'm loving the shine that I'm getting. Super nice. Okay, let's do another Conair one. This is also a big one. And yeah, let's just keep going one by one. This is a small one. Ooh, look at that. Wow, this is a small one. Okay, let's just keep going. This is a small one from the Conair side. Yeah, it's looking nice. It's looking really nice on both sides. So the shine that I'm getting on this side though, I mean, let's be real. I'm definitely getting more shine on this side than this side. Another Conair one, small one, very nice. Let's do another one on this side, T3 side. This was a big one. But wow, look at that shine. Let's do another Conair. I love that one. That's cute. Super cute. That was a small one. And now down to the last 4. I love the small sizes from the T3 kit. And then another small one from the Conair. Very pretty. I'm liking both sides so far. They're both really nice. And I guess we're just gonna do these 2 at the same time. And there you have it. So now let me just kind of fix my hair a little bit. Wow, what do you guys think? So this is the T3 side. Yeah, this side is so shiny and it looks a lot better in my opinion, because this is the Conair side and it looks good too. I mean, I like it. It's not as shiny, I don't think, than the T3 side, and it looks okay. Like, it did curl my hair a little bit, it gave me some waves, but this side just looks a lot better, honestly. And I only used 8 on this side, and on the Conair side I used 9. So I used one extra one on the Conair side, which is, I mean, no big deal. But even though the T3 brings only 8 and the Conair brings 12, the T3 does give me nicer curls in my opinion. Which, I mean, I was hoping that this side would be better. I mean, look at that bounce. It just looks a lot better than this side. I mean, this side is nice too. The Conair side's nice. For 30 bucks, not bad at all. I just feel like I got a way better finish on this side. I feel like this side, the T3 side, definitely won this battle. I know it's a lot more expensive. Comment down below, Team Conair or Team T3 Micro. Anyways, that is it for this Vlogmas video. If you're liking my channel so far, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Did you like the T3 side better, or did you like the Conair side better? Let me know in the comments down below. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video, which is tomorrow. Mwah. Bye-bye.